So we're looking at something small today, but could be useful for actually a bunch of us. I wanted to try this out, and I've got another headlamp that we're going to look at tomorrow, actually. But this one here is the, I guess it's, I can't buy Bikight LX200 wave sensor, a 1200 milliamp, 270 degrees LED headlamp. Basically, just to cut that title down shorter. Comes in like 12 bucks. That's on sale right now at Banggood. As high as $30, but I've seen it float in between those two. You guys can see the little box right there, which is kind of cool. It's a tiny little box actually. So I think, as far as I can tell, it's kind of got like a normal little, maybe a little head strip light there, and it's got a light just off the side. So we're gonna take a look at Banggood's website just to see what they say about it, and then we'll take it out. And it's daytime now, but weirdly enough, it'll be the nighttime later on today, tonight possibly, and we'll try it outside to see what we think about it. Okay, so this is their website, as you can see here. It's hard to tell if this, I think this is a light, but it definitely has one off to the side. They don't really show it too much, and there's not a lot, honestly, for specs on their website. It doesn't tell you a whole lot. So here's like an overview. There's some videos here, of course, if you want. But I'm guessing a light there, maybe a light there. I don't know. 350 lumens. There you go. IPX4. So take it out in the rain, maybe, sort of. We'll see. 4 function modes: strong, low light, flash, and waving induction. Up to 20 hours. That's cool. All right, that's the box right there. That's the box. And I'm guessing it charges via USB, right? There's your modes: brightness, battery time. You guys maybe see that right there. Modes, all the goodness down there at the bottom. And you get to look like this cool guy. So let's crack it open. It's small, which I like, because I was thinking this would be cool to even have carrying on my motorcycle, because something happens at night where you're just like, oh no, something's wrong, and now you have a little bit of light, you know. So there's the manual. It is what it is, right? It looks like maybe French on one side, English on the other. All perspectives induction headlamp. So a couple languages, cool. And that's it. So yeah, I would say that's a light, right? That looks like it should be maybe a little LED strip, I guess. And then there's your, you guys see it down there? There's the actual, like the light that would sit off to the side of your head. And then the strap here, however you get it, this, I'm guessing you'd want it somewhat like this. You tighten it up, right? So you got a strap, you got a little tightener on one side and a tightener on the other side, just so that you want these pieces, right? These pieces here, not to be, my guess, on the back of your head, maybe more so maybe on the side of your head, because you want this piece in the front. Well, I'm just actually that turned out well, and you are nothing but stylish with this on. 100%. There's your USB. You guys can see that there, right? USB. It's a USB-C, right? Where are we? USB-C. That's cool. I wasn't sure if you'd get USB-C out of this, but yeah, USB-C. And if we look at it here, this is like it's very tactilely at the bottom here, right? I'm not sure what that is. Power. I'm guessing this is maybe you pull. Yeah, there it is. That's your charging port. So I can kind of see why they say it's like IPX4, because it's there, but it's not a great seal by any means. You know what? This is what you get when you're paying $12, I guess, right? And then I'm guessing power, and then your modes. Let's just see. Ready? Power. Whoa, Nelly. I'm curious here. And I'm guessing, see, you get a little light there? Because the flashing is cool. Yeah, see that? Oh, I like that. Hold on now. Check that out. That's way brighter than I thought it was going to be. Okay, right? And then you can feel it tap. I'm guessing that's just off. And that's just on. Off. Oh, different brightness. Oh, and that's the side light. Wow. That's got some brightness to it for sure. Way brighter than I expected. Less bright. I'm looking at my monitor, just so you guys know. Full. Turn that a little bit. Less bit. Off. Hold it. You go into, if you're photosynthesis, you're not photosynthesis. If you're photosensitive, this is gonna not be good. If you hold it again, just tap it. I don't know what this button does. Maybe if I tap it on. I don't know what the other button here does. I'm not 100% sure. It seems to be turning it on and off, maybe. On, off, on, off. That's weird. I have to look at the manual, figure out what's going on there. But that is cool. Like, it's, I love the brightness. You guys can't necessarily see that, but that's sweet. Okay, we're gonna take this outside as soon as it becomes nighttime. You guys see that? Oh yeah, that's good, and that is ridiculously comfortable. I could wear that for sure. Now, if I was working like on my bike or anything like that at night when it was dark, I don't have to hold it. I just put that on. Ho ho ho! I like that. Okay, we're gonna wait for it to get dark and go check this out. Okay, we're outside, and you guys probably can't. There's a light, so you can see me now. So it is dark out. It's dark out, and I've got the headlamp on, and we'll just trying to figure out how to hold this. Hold on a second. I'm just gonna cover my hand for a second because it's on this side. So I'm just gonna turn it on level 1. All right, level 1. That's probably all you can see. But I think this is the brightest. So this gives us, yeah, there's me. You can't even see it, right? This gives us like, probably, this is the main light, right? Tons of light. If we tap it again, we're off. Hold on. Did I hit the wrong button? You know, I was playing with it earlier. There it is. Down a little bit. Right? Down a little bit. We can go over here. This is my bike. And we can go to the other light. Ready? Hold on. There it is. That one's got like a spot. You can see, you can definitely see where the spot shines, which is actually really cool. Spotlight, right? And that's got a good throw on it. Oh yeah. Here, what we'll do is ready, and off. See how dark it is? On, this one, there, and a little lower. So it really all depends, right? That one's got the most width for sure, but this one's probably the most direct because you can like look everywhere. It's got so much light. Right? So much light. Oh yeah, that one's super cool. All right, guys. I'm down with this light for sure. Down with this light because this, you know, you can just, depending on what you need. And like I said, if I was down here having to work on my bike, I could easily work on this. Not that I'd want to, but that's with the spot, and I could be like, nope, spot is too much. So that's just a nice wide one. Even when you move your head, you know, you guys can't probably tell. I'm moving my head and it's just like, the light really doesn't change. Yeah, that's cool. All right, I'm gonna leave links to Banggood's website. I'm gonna turn this off. Banggood's website. If I can figure out where, there it is. Banggood's website, so that you guys can take a look at this, because yeah, I'm down with it. That's excellent. Tomorrow we're gonna try out another light just to see which one we think is better. All right, links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. It's cool, right? Yeah.